Alright, welcome back to another video. This time around we've got the Bose Soundsport Freeze. These things go for $169 on Amazon, and I'm sure you can wait for a discount at some point. The post-Christmas sales will most likely have some good deals on them. And these are the blue versions. There's 3 different colors: black, blue, and bright orange. I recommend the blue or the black. So these are truly wireless. There's no wires. The right ear is the master, the left is the slave, meaning as long as you have the right, the left will always work. If you don't have the right with you, the left will not work. So if you want to use these only in one ear, say for instance you're at work and need to be able to hear people, you can only use the right ear if you want to be able to only use it with one ear. It's got the Bose Connect app, which I will go through, and I will show you how easy it is to pair these up. And the best part is they're not AirPods. So let's open these up. Okay. There we go. I will leave links to these in the description, to the links on Amazon. So, as is tradition with Bose, a nice unboxing experience. So here it is. This is what it looks like. Pop this open. Paperwork, warranty information and stuff like that. Hold on to that. Got your charging cable right here, your micro USB charging cable. The large set of wings and earbuds. And the small. So the mediums are what come already pre-installed for you. The smalls are all clear like that, and the larges have some black tips to them. And then we have the actual, this is the charging case. This is how you charge them. You charge the case up, and then whenever you need a charge, you just toss these. If I can be smarter than the material here. There we go. So there's the charging port to charge it up. It's on the back. Little button. And here they are. Comes with 2 LED indicators to let you know that they're charging. And here are the actual earbuds themselves. And they're already turned on and looking for a signal. So I will take these things out, pair them up, and I'll let you know how the sound quality is. Alright, we're back. Overall, these things are a 10 out of 10. If you're looking for a set of wireless earbuds that are truly wireless, get these. They are worth the money. Doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iPhone. These are the way to go. Don't get a set of AirPods if you got an iPhone and settle for crappy sound quality. These pair up just as fine, and they're easily the best out there. So this is what it will look like in your ear. I know the picture. It's kind of hard to see because of the camera, but it gives you an idea. They're pretty large in your ears, but this will give you an idea of what they're like. You get 5 hours on a single charge, and you can charge about twice with the case. Gives you an extra 10 hours, and it's easy. And to charge them, you just take the bottom right here, those little pins, line them up. There's pins inside here, line them up, lay them in. It's that simple. Here's your Bluetooth pairing button, volume up and down, and you can even use the Google Assistant with these if you care about that. Anyway, those are the Bose Soundsport Freeze. Easily the best set of wireless headphones out there right now. But that's it for this unboxing and kind of mini review. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.